Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how I got this orange makeup look. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe if you want to see more videos from me, and I will see you guys in my next video. So for my brows, I'm going to be using the Maybelline Brow Ultra Slim in the shade Dark Brown. To conceal under my brows, I'm using the Milani Conceal and Perfect Concealer in the shade 145 Warm Beige. And then starting with my eyes, I'm using the James Charles palette, and I'm taking the shade 518 and I'm packing that all over my lid and in my crease. And then I'm taking the Norvina Volume 3 palette and I'm taking the shade A2 and I'm putting that basically right on top, and I'm just packing on the color. To prime my face, I'm using the e.l.f. Matte Putty Primer. And for my foundation, I'm using the L'Oreal Infallible 24-Hour Fresh Wear Foundation in the shade 485. To cream contour, I'm using the Wet n Wild Mega Glow Contour Stick in the shade Call Me Maple. And to conceal under my eyes, I'm using the L'Oreal Infallible Concealer in the shade 385 Amber, and I'm also going to use the Milani Concealer. To set under my eyes, I'm using the e.l.f. Halo Glow setting powder in the shade medium. To set my contour, I'm using the Profusion contour palette and I'm using the 3 darkest shades. I'm also going to go in with the Wet n Wild Color Icon bronzer in the shade Sunset Strip Tease. I'm just going to do a wing with the CoverGirl liquid eyeliner, and I used a pencil eyeliner first. For my lashes, I'm using the AOA Studio Premium Lashes in the style Jean. These are from Shop Miss A, and they are beautiful. They were only $1. For my blush, I'm using the Milani Baked Blush in the shade Luminoso. And I'm just going to set my face with the LA Girl setting spray. I'm going to line my lips with the NYX Suede Matte Lip Liner in the shade Mason. And on top of that, I used the NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream in the shade Abu Dhabi. And I topped it off with a Morphe Gloss in the shade Freebird. And to highlight my face, I'm using the Milani highlighter in the shade Golden Quartz. So that is it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe if you want to see more videos from me, and I will see you guys in my next video.